What up? Coming to you live from the Wait for the Fame garage, and as you can see, I currently have no vehicle. The cappuccino is at Mendy Imports. Remember, I dropped it off when I had to go pick up the POW. And then good news tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day, guys. Save it on your phone. Tomorrow is the day. The next video that you see will be when I pick up my $12,000. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12,000 that I had to mirror walk through. Is it gonna live up to the hype? We shall see. And then some other exciting news. I'm gonna be back in Hawaii helping out Slater at JDM Hawaii late September, early October. I just went for a run. That's why I look all sweaty. I gotta get my body nice and right. But if anyone's watching who lives in Hawaii, definitely tap in. Let's get some collab videos going. Let's get like a cool car meet together. I'm definitely gonna bring some merch. Maybe I'll make some merch when I go back out there again. But the main focus for today's video is I got my 4 boxes from when I went to Japan. And in here we have a lot of JDM goodies. A lot of JDM snacks that me and David purchased. So what I want to do in this video, let's put the camera down. Let's do an unboxing on my first 4 boxes I didn't really show you guys. But in here we got tri-spokes, we got intakes, we got snacks, we got parts, we got a lot of new things that are going to the website. So let's start off with this one. I'm not even sure what this is. To be honest, I think Juan just put this here for some comfort because I don't think that me or David purchased this. But it might be a massage or heated seat. So if Juan did do that, thanks to you, bruh. If you're watching this video right now, I think he just gave us that for free. But I remember I bought this. It was very cheap. It's a Hello Kitty boombox, from my understanding. I think I paid about 20 bucks for this. I didn't even open it to see what it looked like. But I saw Hello Kitty. I saw speakers on her feet. And I just felt like if I don't keep it, I'm pretty sure somebody would buy this out of my Hatsumiru walkthrough, or I could just keep it for fun. And I was not wrong. Like, tell me this isn't cool. It's got a handle in the back. It has an antenna. Her head opens for storage, which stores the power cable so it doesn't take batteries. Let's get the lighting better. So you can see there's a USB here, aux, on, and oh wow, it is on. Okay. Not sure how you adjust the stations, but at least the speakers work. Maybe I'll get this started later. We got a lot of things to go through. Next, we got some JDM snacks that I purchased. That's Squirtle. I think this is like a sour candy. Excited to try this with the fam. So again, we can put that over there. Here we have, oh, this is a Subaru plate, I believe. Yeah, I don't even know why I bought this. It was, I think it was 7 or 8 bucks, but I think I know somebody, or if you're watching this video, you get first dibs, but I think I know somebody who owns this, Forester, and I think they'll buy it. So I'll let you guys get first dibs, but if not, I think someone on Instagram, a couple people I know actually on Instagram, might buy this plate just because I'll probably sell it for, I don't know, 25, 20 bucks. Next, we have the JDM uniform. So I have a couple of these. I'm not really sure if I'm going to sell any of them, if I'm being 100% honest. They're all a size 3XL in Japan, but it's kind of like a large / extra large. I think I'm going to keep them, if I'm being 100% honest. But if I do sell them, I know there's one person on Patreon that's been asking a lot, and I'll definitely let Patreon homies get first dibs. But these, I feel like I have to put Wait for the Fame patches on there. I have to put something on the sleeve. It already has something cool on the back. So these, more than likely, I'm going to keep just kind of as memorabilia. And I don't know when I can get another one. I think the only way I would sell it is for very expensive. And I don't think anyone's going to give me 150 or 200 bucks for these. So for now, I'm going to keep them. If I end up needing money because I bought too many tri-spokes, they'll be for sale. Here's what they look like. This one is actually a size large. So it's more like a size small, US. But it says Nissan there, Nissan on the back. This one is very small. I could barely even fit in that one. And then this is the one I was wearing all around the trip. I'll share some pictures right now. The Unos one. I think I have a total, I don't have one Nissan one, and I think 3 of these in the same exact size, the large XL. Next, we got this Momo that David purchased, and then we have this Suzuki Carry cluster. So that's box number 1. And here we have, I think, the most expensive box by far. All these little white boxes are LED kits for glow plates. So we have a ton of these because my plug in Japan ended up holding it down. We bought a bunch of them. I got this, which I know somebody watching. A lot of people were happy about the Pro Box. This I might just do a free giveaway on, if I'm being honest. So yeah, free giveaway on this coming soon. Let me put it aside. We got more LED kits. This is a Boss Hub, I believe, for the air filter. Oh yeah, this is the cool AZ1 figurine that I got. Let me show you guys on my phone so you can see the full detail. Apparently it's for a movie in Japan called Blue SWAT. And it's like a exoskeleton AZ1. Juan gave me this, so I'm not gonna sell it. It's kind of sentimental since the homie gave it to me for free. So this is going to go in the WBTF man cave. So appreciate you. And then in here we have some flares. These are David's. These are tri-spokes. We got some air filters. An in-tank. I think that one's mine. I gotta talk it over with David. We got some of these. If anyone's interested, these are gonna be on the website. By the time you're watching this, I most likely added everything on the website, but we have some of those. We have a bunch more of these guys, the spring cup holders. I sold out of these the first day. I didn't know you guys wanted them so badly, but I think I got about 6 more in here. So these are on WayBeforeTheFame.com as well. They look like this. Pop onto your K-truck, to your car. More air filters. More cup holders. And then, ta-da-da! Tri-spoke. And then more of these guys. And this Altezza. I think this is for Tiki. Not 100% sure, but I think this is Tiki Bunny. So I gotta confirm. And then we got these sets of wheels, which I only have 2 of, and they're for sale if anybody wants them. And then this is David's train horns. Now we're on to the next one. I have 3 of these Suzuki license plate frames. I think it's pretty cool that I'll be able to have a yellow like JDMK plate and then the Suzuki over it. So I most likely will put this on the Mighty Boy and whatever Suzukis I have moving forward. I think I actually have 3 Suzukis coming in. So these are not for sale yet. I got my cappuccino bags from my blue cappuccino. I got this just cause it's for sale. So that'll be on the website soon. More tarps, more LED brackets. One of these bad boys. This is gonna also be for sale. Another cappuccino bag. These are wipers for, I know what this is for. My Patreon homies know what that's for. More LED brackets. More tri-spoke. Another one of these. I think I have 3 of these for sale, like 2 silver, 2 green, and then rim over here. That can stay in the box. And then these are all the plates I have for sale. They're all gonna be on the website by the time you're watching this video. We got 3. So I'm gonna show a picture on the screen of all the plates I got in, but we got some glow plates. I got 3, 1, 2 4s, 11, 420. This one sold out really quickly last time. 429, 2 of those. 666, I think this one's gonna go right away as well. I got a white 3, 4385. I got 2 of those. And then these are the non-glow plates that are gonna be 40 bucks on my website, or I think 35, I'm not sure. So 3292, I got 2 of those. I have 1, 2, 3. I'm definitely keeping one of those for myself. And then 9311 I have 2 of. And then 6673. So these are all going to be on WayBeforeTheFame.com. I'm going to throw some free goodies for everybody. If anyone has placed an order since I got back to Japan, you know that I threw some free goodies in there. But if you're watching this and you haven't placed one yet, I've been giving everyone pins, candies, just extra stuff, magnets. Anyone who's purchased something, comment below if you don't mind. And say that, yes, you got something for free in there, just because I'm showing love. And then also, David has a bunch of plates. His are taped up, so I'm not going to show it all. But if you don't like any of my numbers, David from Mendy Imports also has a huge fat stack of glow plates and other plates that he's going to sell on his website. And then this is actually for Tiki Bunny, if I'm not mistaken. It's an AZ1. I think this is all the stuff that came with the blue AZ1. So I also have to ship this to him. I see a wheel lock in here as well, along with a remote. So Tiki Bunny, if you're watching this, I shipped this home because this has to go to you as well. So some more magnets, and then I got some that have like the sticker, because I know some people don't want to put the magnet on the outside of the car, so this you can put on like the rear window of your car because it has a suction cup there, which is pretty cool. I got some JDM baby in cars too. I got, what else in here? More of the elderly driver ones, and then we got some flares. But yeah, all this stuff, like I said, is going to be on WayBeforeTheFame.com. And that's pretty much it. Website's going to be updated soon. A lot of this stuff is David's. If anyone's looking for a blow valve, I know he bought a bunch of those. He got some stickers there. That cappuccino thing's going to be added to the website. Like I said, most likely going to do that trade with Josh. I just posted the video today, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you have to say in the comments. I think I'm going to get the blue one. I think the comments might say get the blue one. Maybe they'll say they get the white one. Honestly, I'm open to both. In a perfect world, though, I'll sell the cappuccino for cash. But if not, I'll just trade it with Josh. So thank you guys for watching. Tri-Spoke is coming on a car soon. Maybe on the van. These aren't the right bolt pattern, but maybe we'll flex them on there somehow. And then stay tuned for these shifter hoodies. I want to take them and I want to embroider Way for the Fame across the middle, similar to the Sparkle ones. Or worst case scenario, I'll just heat press it on. But I think this would be a pretty cool thing to add to the website. I think shifter hoodies are just kind of funny. I didn't even know they existed prior to going to Japan. So I'm going to see if I can embroider. I think it will look a lot more baller if I can embroider WBTF here. It's kind of like the same logo that I've been putting on everything. But if not, then I most likely will just heat press it on. So stay tuned. I got blue ones, black ones, gray ones. I think I even bought some white ones. And then everything you see here is on WayBeforeTheFame.com. All my Patreon homies are going to get first access. So if you're looking at the website right now and some things are sold out, it's because they already bought it. Almost ended this video without showing you maybe the coolest thing I bought in Japan. So if you open up here like I showed you guys, there's the FM and AM. It has aux. It even has this. Not sure what value that brings, but I have it in aux right now. Let's put the volume all the way up. I might have to put this outside the mirror, and this will be how we play music. Okay. Okay, Hello Kitty. Let's put the volume up on my laptop. Alright, definitely doesn't have bass, but the aux works. Everything works. Pretty happy about this. I don't even know if this is for sale. I might have to keep this. But let me clean this all up. I think Benny's enjoying the JDM cushioning that we added to the box. But let me clean all this stuff up. Catch you guys on the next one. Excited to get the mirror tomorrow. I literally cannot wait. It's the most expensive car I've ever bought in my life. I saw some pictures of it. I'm not going to show anyone any pictures of it. I'll show the Patreon homies, though. You guys know exactly what it looks like, actually, if you're my Patreon. But I'm excited. I'm excited to get that car. It's going to be my Forever K, allegedly. I'm already into it, $12,000, so I think this might be one of the cars that there's 0% chance to make any money on. But I wasn't thinking about money when I bought it. I wasn't thinking about money when I put all the money. I did $2,000 in maintenance. It's getting $1,000 wheels. I have underglow already. I have a radio. I have a backup camera. I have a strut bar. I have a blow valve. I have so much stuff for that car that the 12 is like not even that meme of like the iceberg. It's like the water. Like the things that I have going for it, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. But anyways, I'm ending this video here. I'm too excited about the mirror. Let me clean this all up. Thank you guys for watching. Road to 40K, road to 100K. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is Way Before the Fame.